In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Gantt chart in Smartsheet so you can visualize project timelines, track progress, and manage deadlines more effectively. A Gantt chart gives you a clear overview of your project and helps you see how tasks fit together over time. Before getting started, make sure your sheet includes the required project columns. You'll need a start date column and either an end date or duration column. These dates allow Smartsheet to place tasks on a timeline and generate the chart correctly. Once your sheet is ready, enter your project tasks and fill in the relevant dates. Each row should represent a task, milestone, or project activity. If some dates aren't finalized yet, you can always update them later. Next, go to the top of your sheet and locate the current view selector. By default, most sheets open in grid view. Click on the View menu and select Gantt View. As soon as you switch views, Smartsheet automatically creates a Gantt chart based on the dates in your sheet. You'll see taskbars displayed across a timeline, making it easy to understand project schedules and upcoming deadlines. You can adjust task dates directly from the Gantt chart by dragging the bars left or right. If you need a task to last longer or shorter, simply drag the edge of the bar to update its duration. For more advanced project planning, enable dependencies in project settings. This allows you to connect tasks, create predecessor relationships, and automatically update schedules when changes occur. If your chart doesn't appear correctly, double-check that all tasks have valid start and end dates. Missing or incorrect date values are the most common reason tasks don't display on the timeline. Once your Gantt chart is set up, you'll have a visual project schedule that makes it easier to monitor progress, identify delays, and keep your team aligned throughout the project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.